Ethnicity and Changes in Population by Rocío González and Jennifer Cadena. China. China is composed of 56 ethnic groups. Han Chinese account for 91% of the population in China. The other 55 groups make up the remaining 8%. The birth rate in China from 2000 to 2014 has decreased 4%. The death rate in China from 2000 to 2014 has increased 1%. Infertility is basically the same since the establishments of the one-kid policy, so it just decreased like 0.30%. This means that people in China, a woman gets 1 children. In life expectancy, it has increased 4 years, so people can live up to 75 years old. If we see the population pyramid in China, we can see that from 0 to 14 years old, there's not a lot of people, and then at 25, there's 4.7 in males and 4.3 in females. In China, there's more reproductive people than the pre-productive and the old ones. Norway. 94% are Norwegian, 3% are other European, and there's 2% of From 2000 to 2013, it has decreased from 13 to 11%, but in 2014, it has increased 1%. In that rate, Norway has decreased 1%. Fertility has stayed the same. There is 1 child per woman. And in life expectancy, in 2000, there was estimated you can live till the 78 years old, but now in 2014 it has increased to 81 years old. If we see the population pyramid, we can see that, as in China, there are more people in the reproductive side than in the pre-productive.
In Colombia, there are mestizos, which are mixed between white and Amerindian, about 58% of the total population in 1998. An estimated 20% of the inhabitants are an unmixed white ancestry. 14% are mulattoes, which are black with white. 4% are black, 3% are zambos, which are black and Indian, and 1% are pure Amerindian.
Birth rate has decreased 6% since 2000 to 2014. In 2009, the birth rate started decreasing 0.2%, but then in 2010, it starts gaining up to 0.10%. Fertility, there's 2 kids per woman, and in life expectancy, you can live up to 75 years old. If we see the population pyramid in Colombia, we have 3.8% infertility, and there's 4.3% in the reproductive side. Then we see in 75 years old, it's decreasing due to the death rate.
In Cameroon, there are more than 240 tribes, but the main ones are Bantus, Semi-Bantus, and Sudanese.
In birth rate, we can see that there are many changes since 2000 to 2014, but in 2014 it has stayed the same that it was in the 2000, and it's 36%. Then in death rate, it has decreased 1%. On fertility, there are 4 children per woman, and in life expectancy is very low. People can only live, well, it's an estimate, but 57 years old. The population pyramid shows the larger number is infertility, so there are a lot of kids, and then it is decreasing as the age increases.
Ethnicity is linked with population changes because ethnicity is part of the population, no matter their race or their heritage. Is it important to have an ethnic control? Why? We think ethnic control is the genocide of bigger ethnic groups killing smaller ethnic groups, so we don't think it is a good thing to have ethnic control. We just need everyone to respect among each other, respect their beliefs, their traditions, and everything.
Migration, illness, or viruses can cause mortality. Also, infertility, as women have more opportunities to work, they prefer having less kids, and in life expectancy is increasing due to the industrializations and new hospitals. Countries are more industrialized than others, like for example Norway and Cameroon are very different because Cameroon is still developing and Norway is the first country in human development.